watching, please subscribe. In this video, I am starting my Honda that's been sitting all winter with no hood and a smashed windshield. Let me know what you guys would do with this car. Would you junk it? Whatever, it has 110 on the engine. It has the third automatic transmission in it, but I'm thinking about putting a manual on it. It needs a windshield, a transmission, and a hood. I mean, I don't really need the trans. I might be able to run this automatic, but if I'm gonna like beat Subarus and Mustangs and stuff, I need it. Honestly, it's barely even melting.